Too much history have you make it so hard to leave ya. What you do? Big man thing, me not.
Hey guys. Oh my goodness. Let me at least put on some lip gloss. Hold on. Alright, I'm back with some lip gloss. Not a lot, but you know, my lips is looking very dry. Anyway, so hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever. Let me back up. And I'm back again with another video. My TV is too loud. Okay, and as you can tell by the title, today we'll be removing this frontal install. So this is my first frontal ever. I never had a frontal installed on my head. I've had a frontal wig that I put on my head, but I never had it like professionally installed or whatever. So this is she. She's not that bad actually. I don't think it's that bad. It's been 2 weeks. I'm pretty sure she could go like another week, but I'm ready. Like, I want to see my meeks. I feel like the edges are like crunchy.
Hello.
You're
Okay, wait. Are you gonna show your head?
Yeah, I'm gonna show my head. It's gonna be bad funny. But anyway, I'm still recording, so if I'm talking, I'm not talking to you. Anyway, let's go to the bathroom. Cause it's going down in the bathroom. I bought some alcohol. Cause you need alcohol. Alcohol and what else? Just alcohol? Okay, cool. Where I'm gonna put the camera? Alright, I feel like this position.
Let me see.
Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a towel. And what I saw the girl do was she folded it like this. Just like a little bit right here. She put the alcohol right here. I hope my edges don't come out. So we're gonna open the alcohol. This is the alcohol I have, if anybody's wondering. Alright, here we go. Ah, I'm scared. Y'all can't even see, okay. Oops. I'm gonna start putting it right here. Is it gonna burn? I hope it doesn't burn. And they said to dab, don't rub. So make sure you dab. I feel like this is gonna be a fail. I don't know if it's lifting because of the alcohol or if it was just lifting already before. This is stressful. More alcohol. Imagine I finished the whole bottle of alcohol and the frontal is still on my head. I think it's moving. So right now the edges are just looking crazy. Oh, let me see. Oh, guys, look. I think it's lifting. Look. Oh, she left. Oh my god. It's lifting. Nah, that was laid. What? Girl. This part. All the girls in the video said don't pull it. Let it come. With the little top on the stairs. That way we can start doing this. Oh. Oh, and I still have my sideburns. I still have edges.
I used to do it all this other YouTube stuff. Like, I came up on making
That's funny. Oh my god.
yeah, but like,
Alright, next side.
you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to do like different shit, so different stuff, so you know, vlogging and just different creative ideas. Like, they get like.
Ooh, it's burning. Nah, but like, what lace though? Like, I know I'm taking it off, but still, what lace? There was no lace. It's all scalp. Oh my god. This is nasty. Let's add a little more alcohol. When I walked in my purple hair, what day was it? The first time, I was like, you look crazy. Yeah.
Crazy?
Yeah. I was like, who asked you?
Why?
Because my hair was purple.
Well, how is that crazy?
I don't know, because I'm black.
She was like, well, if you want him, you can have him. But he gonna come stay with you because he not gonna be staying in my house doing that shit. And I'm like, yeah, he was telling me, oh no.
Look! Look at my head. Ah! Here. Ah! Right. Like, what? That's crazy. Apparently, the cap comes off with water. So now we're gonna use water to remove the cap. I can't believe I'm in a video looking like this. Gonna start with this side. But the glue, I don't I don't know. I'm scared. Oh, never mind. I was like, where's my edges? But it's right there. Why was the wig all the way up there? It was like right here.
Yeah.
I had no forehead for like 2 weeks.
It's because you have a lot of forehead, so she has to like cut it off.
No, it's because of my edges. Because my edges come to like here. And then my forehead, it like goes in. Like, my hairline is so weird. Alright, so I'm gonna show my dad my head. Look. No, my head. Look at my head. Yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching me. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.